Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am creating a set of 5 birthday cards, all very similar formula. I take a card base that I've created just with a piece of cardstock. I add a layer of matting around that with one of the patterned papers. I used the ephemera, stickers, or rosettes to decorate each page. If you watched my previous video, I gave you a tutorial on how to make rosettes, and now I'm showing you how to use those rosettes to make a card. So I'm just using some of the frames and tag die cuts here. I popped that little interior up onto a piece of foam, and I'm layering some of the little tags and circle ephemera pieces on top of the rosette that I created, and I will link a video at the end showing the rosette tutorial in case you missed that. I like to use either enamel dots or sequins to do some finishing touches. I liked the color of these sequins here, so I used that. And here I'm just coming in again now with an orange base and bringing in some more frames and tags. In the Polka Dot Mailbox deal of the week, there's the collection kit, which has all of the papers, one of each of the 12 by 12 papers, the 12 by 12 element stickers, as well as 2 packages of ephemera, the die cuts and the frames and tags. So it makes it really simple to put cards together. I add a little bit of twine, some sequins or enamel dots, and that's really the only addition that I needed to create these cards. And I'll show still pictures at the end of close-ups of everything. So you can see here how I've chose to do a similar card base, and now I'm using the opposite side of the paper with all the numbers on it, and just one great big die cut that is pretty much a nice statement all on its own. It doesn't need a lot to dress that up. So I was covering up that smile. Even though I liked that smile, I liked it framing the little piñata there, since there was already so many words on this card, and it added a nice layer of dimension to have that one ephemera piece in the back, again with some twine just as a bow on top of a button, and it matches the button and bow at the top. A few little finishing sequins to add a little sparkle, and I've got another card created. So here I'm coming in with some green. I've added some stitching across the banner. These are die cuts that came in the ephemera pack, but I stitched across them. And then I added one more layer, popped up with the hip hip hooray. I punched out that little lion from that tag there so that I can save it and use it again another time. But you can see how I'm using another little rosette here on the back. I have to really build up this tag to match the layer of the rosette. I think I added about 4 layers of foam tape underneath so that it would sit flat against the back on top of that rosette. So that gives some stability to the card. I'm going to go ahead and seal that in place, and I like the way that nice light green frames. All of the cardstock I'm using here come from Stampin' Up. So that's everything. If you are interested in more videos, please subscribe. We would love to have you part of our crafty community. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.